This is Kenny here, and I'm in Taman Paramount today. So today we're gonna try a Pak Kapau. This restaurant is a Thai restaurant. It's famous for their Pak Kapau. So let's go. Let's see their menu first. Flaming Pak Kapau. Maybe not lah. Oh, they are specialized in Pak Kapau only. Something like. I want a film. Better take that challenge. So you got a tuk-tuk here. I don't know where they get it, but looks good. It's a real one, right? Okay, this wall is interesting. Look at the stuff. This got me back. Fanta. Modify the tuk-tuk to put tables. This is unfortunately not for you to sit. Simple menu. These are all the snacks. Thai suyok. Thai chendol also. How I pronounce this? Lochong. Moping also got. It's a usual Thai snack. Pick your protein, choose your egg, or choose your herb, and choose your spicy level. And you are done. Ordered Thai milk tea, and this is the lemongrass, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it's served. Okay lah. This is the moping. Looks like quite good.
The babi on the stick.
Yeah, man.
It's like satay, but you smash it.
Yep. Looks good. So the pork Thai basil. Pork with Thai basil. I ordered the pork Pak Kapau. It's not that much. Smells good, man. Let me just taste it. It's nice.
Can you smell the basil?
It smells. It's strong. Strong basil smell.
Egg. Okay. You're supposed to mix it with the egg.
Yeah, man. But now got one hand me very hard. Wait. I have to press the red one.
Okay.
You know it won't record.
Okay. Start.
Okay. Now I'm frying the egg with the Pak Kapau. This is the pork one. Wow, very nice. Basil, very nice smell. You plus with the rice, with the egg, the white rice. Wow, this is really good. This is the seafood mix, right? Seafood mix. And instead of the fried egg, it's actually omelette. Look at that. Wow. There are prawns, squid. Oh, you changed it to a glass noodle, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Glass noodle. Wow. Nice. Looks good.
Just video the food.
Let me try some. Okay, so I just try some. The glass noodles. glass noodles versus rice, I still prefer the rice. The Asian in me still prefer the rice. But both are good options, okay? Both are good. Now I'm trying the muting. Okay? Muting is good. The pork is so tender. Meat is so tender. Really good. So I'm at Pat Boy and they have a lunch set promotion here from 11 a.m. to 2, Monday to Friday. So you get all this juice also, no worries. Just 21.90 and I paid including tax is 23.20 lah. So my lemongrass drink is here. Okay, so you come alone, here is the bar table. Easy for you. Thank you. Lemongrass drink. The food is actually served pretty fast lah. So this is how the bakapau look like. You can actually come and build your own. Just let me show you a closer look. So this is how it looks like. I chose the Thai basil and also the egg. And it comes with kuchai kueh. Yeah, this is a kuchai kueh. Not sure what it does look like. Let me just see. Oh, hot. Supposed to put this here and then eat. Looks good. So now I'm trying the kuchai kueh. Kueh is a bit. They've got chili and black sauce. Okay, inside got a little bit of vegetable. I don't know what vegetable, but it's like eating a keropok, cracker. The rice, right? Yeah. Smells good. The basil, the spices, all you can really smell it. I'm gonna put some pickled cucumber on it. Pickled cucumber. Okay. The bakapau, you can choose the spiciness level lah. Just now I'll try to take the just nice level. You tell me it's very spicy. So you can just start with the lowest level, not that spicy, and slowly go up. Okay? You are not used to spicy. Good take of bakapau here. Looks good too. So if you are around the corner, do come to Paramount. But boy, I'll leave the address and description down below as usual. Alright, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video.